Good morning, students. Now today we are going to read the next chapter from English literature. That is the musical donkey. Now in this chapter we will read the story of a donkey who liked to roam around in the fields. He also thought that his voice is very sweet. One day he got into a trouble because of his voice. Let's read and find out how did it happen. But before that, let's read out some difficult words. So the first word is wander, which means walk or move in an aimless way. That means idhar-udhar bhatakna. Now the next word is feasted, which means eat heartily. यानी कि जी भरकर खाना. Now move to the next word. Braying, which means to make a loud, unpleasant noise. The Hindi meaning of this word is जोर जोर से शोर करना. Now the next word is insisted, which means to demand something forcefully. यानी कि जिद करना. Now the fifth word is wise, which means someone who has experience and a deep understanding. That means कोई ऐसा जो बहुत समझदार हो. Now take few minutes and read again these words. Now let's read the chapter. Once there lived a washerman. He had a donkey. So students, it means एक समय की बात है, एक धोबी हुआ करता था जिसके पास एक डोंकी था. During the day, the donkey had to carry heavy loads of clothes. But at night, it was free to wander about. दिन के दौरान उसे कपड़ों का भारी बोझ उठाना पड़ता था, पर रात में वो घूमने के लिए आजाद था. The donkey was old and weak, but it liked roaming around in the fields. It means डोंकी बहुत बूढ़ा और कमजोर था, पर फिर भी उसे खेतों में घूमना अच्छा लगता था. One night the donkey met a jackal. They became friends. एक रात उस डोंकी को एक गीदड़ मिला और वे अच्छे दोस्त बन गए. Now they began to wander together in search of food. अब वे दोनों एक साथ भोजन की तलाश में घूमने लगे. They found a field of ripe cucumbers. There were as many cucumbers as they could eat. It means थोड़ी ही देर में उन्हें पके हुए खीरों का एक खेत मिला. उसमें उतने ही खीरे थे जितने कि वे खा सकते थे. The next night they again feasted on the cucumbers in the same field. Thus every night they enjoyed themselves. अगली रात उन्होंने फिर से खीरे के खेत में दावत उड़ाई. Thus every night they used to go to that field and ate cucumbers. Soon the donkey grew fat. One night it said to the jackal, "Look, my dear, the full moon is shining in the sky." जल्द ही डोंकी मोटा हो गया. एक रात वो गीदड़ को कहता है, "Look, my dear, आकाश में चंद्रमा चमक रहा है." A gentle breeze is blowing. It is very pleasant. I feel like braying. कोमल हवा बह रही है. कितना आनंदमय है. मेरा मन कर रहा है कि मैं जोर जोर से रींगूं. Now before moving forward, give me the answer of few questions. So the question number 1 is, what work was assigned to the donkey? Very good students. The answer is the donkey had to carry heavy loads of clothes. Now let's move to the question number 2. What did they eat in the field? Very good students. The answer is they ate cucumbers in the field. Now let's move to the question number 3. Who became friends? Very good students. The answer is the donkey and the jackal became friends. Now let's move to the question number 4. How did donkey and jackal enjoy themselves every night? Very good, students. The answer is every night both of them enjoyed the feast of ripe cucumbers. Now let's get back and see what happened next. The jackal was very wise. He advised the donkey not to bray as it would invite trouble. जैकल बहुत समझदार था. उसने डोंकी को एडवाइस किया कि वो ऐसा ना करे और मुसीबत को न्योता ना दे. But the donkey insisted and did not listen to the advice. The donkey thought its voice to be very sweet. लेकिन डोंकी ने उसकी एक ना सुनी. डोंकी को लगा कि उसकी आवाज बहुत प्यारी है. The jackal was very clever, so he immediately slipped away. जैकल बहुत चालाक था, तो इसलिए वो वहां से चला गया. On hearing the braying of the donkey, the farmers rushed to the field, armed with sticks. They gave the donkey a tough beating and left it half dead. डोंकी के रींगने की आवाज सुनकर किसान लाठी और डंडों के साथ खेत की ओर दौड़ पड़े. उन सब ने डोंकी की खूब पिटाई की और उसे आधी मरी हालत में छोड़ दिया. After some time, the jackal returned. He congratulated the donkey on the reward that it had got for its singing. कुछ समय बाद जैकल वापस आ गया. उसने डोंकी को इनाम के लिए बधाई दी जो कि उसको गाने के लिए मिला था. I think you all have seen what happened to the donkey as he did not listen to the advice of the jackal. So students, moral of the story is do not turn down a good advice. It means अगर आपको कोई अच्छी सलाह दे रहा है तो उसे अनसुना मत करो. Now before ending the video, give me the answer of few questions. So the question number 1 is, what did the donkey wish to do one night? Very good, students. The answer is, on seeing the full moon night and pleasant weather, the donkey felt like braying. Now let's move to the question number 2. What advice did jackal give to the donkey? Very good, students. The answer is, he advised the donkey not to bray as it would invite trouble. Now let's move to the question number 3. Who came to the field after hearing the braying of the donkey? Very good, students. The answer is, the farmers came to the field after hearing the braying of the donkey. So I hope that you have understood the chapter very well and you can easily answer the questions that are given in your book. Thank you.